Chapter number 5, sum number 16. Mala and Anita are partners sharing the profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. The old ratio 3:2. Mercy is admitted into the partnership 1/5 of the share of profit, and the new partners is admitted. So 1/5 of share profit. Calculate the profit, new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. இப்போ எப்படி calculate பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். Calculating them sacrificing and new profit sharing ratio. இப்போ sacrificing ratioக்கு proportion of shares கொடுக்கல அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா to assume the existing the new partner sacrificing in the old ratioல நம்ம calculate பண்ணணும். old ratioல calculate பண்ணும்போது 3:2. So sacrificing ratio of Mala and Anita is 3:2. இதான் sacrificing ratio. That the total share be 1. Mercy share 1 divided by 5. Remaining share of 1 minus 1 divided by 5. So find out the 5. 5 ones are 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 5. The new share of older partners order new. The remaining shares into older shares. Is a Mala 4 divided by 5 into 3 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. 4 3s are 12. Anita 4 divided by 5 into 2 divided by 5 equal to 5 5s are 25. 4 2s are 8. New share of new partners. Mercy 1/5. 1 divided by 5. 25 வருதுன்னா 5 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. 1 5s are 5. The new profit sharing ratio of Mala, Anita and Mercy is 12 divided by 25, 8 divided by 25, 5 divided by 25. That is 12:8:5. இந்த சம் இதோட முடியுது. இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட்ஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.